Is the sound okay? Sound cool? Sound okay? Cool.
Sunlight coming through the haze. No gaps in the blind to let it inside. The bed isn't made, so music still plays. TV, yeah, it's always on. A flicker on the screen, a movie after screen. I'm basking in the shit, flow it out of it. I'm stoned in the mall again. Terminally bored, shuffling around the stores, and shoplifting is getting so last year's thing. Xbox is a god to me. A finger on the switch, my mother is a bitch. My father gave up, never trying to talk. Try engaging me. The prescription drugs, and you'll never find the person inside. My face is a magaton. Curiosity has living up on me. I'm tuning on the sides, the pills are on the rise. How can I be sure I'm here? The pills that I've been taking confuse me. I need to know that someone sees that there's nothing left, I simply am not here. I'm through with pornography. The acting is take, the action is late, explicitly tell, arousing or not. Your mouth should be boarded up. Talking all day with nothing to say. Your shallow proclamations, all misinformation. My friend says he wants to die. He's in a band, they sound like Arjun. Their clothes are all black, their music is crap. In school, I don't concentrate. Sex is kind of fun in all the empty ways that I will be getting off your way. How can I be sure I'm here? Pills that I've been taking confuse me. I need to know that someone sees that there's nothing left, I simply am not here. Papa.